Have you ever wondered how to close your Lunar bank account without having to visit a physical branch? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to close your Lunar account online, saving you time and effort. So, let's dive in. Have you ever felt like your bank just wasn't cutting it? Maybe you're switching to a different provider or simply no longer need the account. Whatever the reason, closing a bank account can sometimes feel like a hassle. But fear not. With Lunar, the process is surprisingly straightforward. Step 1. Access your Lunar app. The first step is to open your Lunar app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once you're logged in, look for the Settings or Account section. This is usually located in the bottom navigation bar or in the top right corner of the app. Step 3. Find the Close Account option. Within the Settings menu, you should find an option labeled Close Account or something similar. Tap on it. Step 4. Confirm your decision. Lunar will likely ask you to confirm your decision to close the account. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental closures. Read the information carefully and confirm your choice. Step 5. Provide reasons for closure, optional. In some cases, Lunar might ask you to provide a reason for closing the account. This information is optional but can be helpful for them to improve their services. Step 6. Verify your identity. To ensure security, Lunar may request you to verify your identity. This could involve entering a code sent to your phone or answering a security question. Step 7. Review and confirm. Before finalizing the closure, review all the details and confirm that you want to proceed. Once you confirm, your account closure process will begin. Additional tips. Check your balance. Ensure that your account balance is zero or that you have withdrawn any remaining funds before closing. Direct debits and standing orders. Cancel any recurring payments or direct debits linked to your Lunar account. Card cancellation. If you have a physical Lunar card, you might need to cancel it separately. Check the app or contact Lunar customer support for instructions. Customer support. If you encounter any difficulties or have questions, don't hesitate to contact Lunar's customer support. They're there to assist you. And there you have it. Closing your Lunar bank account online is a simple process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps, you can easily close your account and move on to your next financial adventure. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.